Hi, I'm Helen. I came to a new clinic in Leamington Spa because I've got a lot of skin blemishes on the side of my face, shoulders, and the side of my neck, which Dr. Jar said would be helped with laser. So I booked in for an appointment to have a laser treatment, which I had on 2 weeks ago today. Lots of treatment on my shoulders, especially in this area of my face. Took about just over an hour or so. Lots of pre-procedure information given. A little bit painful during the treatment, but offered alternative analgesia painkillers if you needed it. Didn't really need it. Afterwards, good advice about care. Antibiotic cream to apply regularly, twice to 2 to 3 times daily. Applied it, and then follow up the following day. Dr. Jar message saying please send me photos. So I sent photos of the area daily and got a response from Dr. Jar within half an hour each time to say how the skin was looking, and this continued for up to 10 days until everything was pretty much healed. So really pleased with the results, absolutely delighted in this particular area here because I've got a large area that really knocked my confidence, but much better, and yes, would recommend Dr. Jar in the clinic.
Thank you.